7 Amazing health benefits of Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach is an excellent source of iron, calcium, vitamin C and vitamin A. It contains high protein and great source of phosphorus and potassium. It has great amount of antioxidants such as lutein and beta-carotene. Medicinal uses of Malabar spinach in traditional medicine. Traditionally, the Bacilla alba has been used in many cultures for a variety of medicinal purposes. The leaves of Malabar spinach are used in Ayurveda to induce sound sleep by applying it on the head for about half an hour before bathing. In Ayurveda, it is also used for hemorrhages, skin diseases, sexual weakness, ulcers and is laxative in children and pregnant women. The leaves and stem of Malabar spinach has been used in Ayurveda for anti-cancer treatments such as melanoma, leukemia and oral cancer. 1. Healthy heart. Folate is essential to reduce the homocysteine level which is present in the blood. Homocysteine increases the chances of strokes and heart attacks. Folate helps to convert the homocysteine into methionine which normalizes the level of homocysteine. It has a positive role in metabolizing minerals as well as antioxidant activities. The studies have shown that high intake of folate reduces the chances of cardiovascular disease. 2. Treats depression. The intake of folate with adequate amount of veggies as well as plant foods helps to treat the depression naturally. The high intake of folate helps to lower the depression significantly in depressed patients. 3. Prevent dementia. The studies show that high levels of homocysteine increases the chances of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. The low amount of folate in the body leads to poor mental activities. The folic acid decreases the level of homocysteine, but it has not been proved that it improves the cognitive function and forbid diseases. The addition of diet rich in folate and nutrients helps to treat the Alzheimer's disease. 4. Treatment for cancer. The low presence of folate in the body increases the chances of colon, cervical, breast, lung, and brain cancer. The evidence has shown that the diet rich in folate protects from cancer development. One should intake the natural forms of vitamin because the pharmaceutical form of vitamin differs from natural ones which provide the protection. 5. Utilizes amino acids, iron and vitamin B12. Anemia is also one of the causes of folate deficiency. It is the health condition where the red blood cells are formed improperly. Folate assists in the absorption of vitamin B12 which helps to absorb the nutrients, brain function and provides energy. 6. Pregnancy. Folate is one of the vital vitamin which is required for the having healthy pregnancy. The deficiency of folate results in neural tube defects such as anencephaly, spina bifida, limb malformations and heart ailments. Folate is vital for copying DNA and builds the new cells. Low levels of folate leads to development issues which remain after birth as well. Leafy greens, avocados, sprouted beans and citrus are the folate-rich foods which one should intake during pregnancy. 7. Provides energy. Anemia is the result of iron deficiency. The low amount of iron results in low hemoglobin due to which adequate amount of oxygen could not be transported to the cells. The iron deficiency leads to poor mental function, lack of energy and apathy. Children and premenopausal women are in high chances of suffering from anemia if they do not consume the foods iron-rich foods. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.